Beginning of 20th century, German Jewry had become one of the most remarkable minorities in Europe, small in number yet immense in influence. Following emancipation, Jews had entered every sphere of civic life: business, law, medicine, art, and science. Their rise symbolized the ideals of the modern German Empire: education, discipline, and cultural refinement. They founded newspapers, publishing houses, and theaters, and filled universities with brilliant minds, physicists, doctors, and philosophers whose work defined the spirit of modern Europe. They became the symbol of urban culture, rational thought, and progress, admired by many, resented by others. After the Jewish groups were completely isolated from the public, with the participation and consent of the majority, the deportation process began. Western Europe was meant to believe that Jewish resettlements under Nazi supervision were decent places. Since late November 1941, Czech Jews had been forced to begin establishing the Theresienstadt Ghetto, a process that unfolded over time. It soon also became the destination for carefully selected Jewish groups from Austria, Germany, Holland, even Denmark, and in the end from Slovakia and Hungary. Each group served a specific purpose within the Nazi plan, most commonly for propaganda.